What if I told you your phone listens even when it is off? Just kidding. But what if I told you there are entire states where you could shout at the top of your lungs and genuinely nobody would hear you? Today, we are counting down 10 states so vast and sparsely populated they make even quiet neighborhoods feel like bustling cities. We are talking about incredibly low population densities, meaning miles and miles of open space. So, if you are looking for true solitude or just a place to scream without judgment, listen up. Coming in at number 10, we have Kansas, known for its endless prairies and vast agricultural lands. Kansas offers more horizon than human interaction. Outside its few major cities, you will find long stretches of highway with very little else. Number 9 is Nevada. Beyond the bright lights and bustling casinos of Las Vegas and Reno, Nevada is a land of vast, empty deserts and rugged mountains. The majority of its land is federally owned, leaving much of it untouched and uninhabited. At number 8, it is Nebraska, often called the Cornhusker State. Nebraska is a heartland of agriculture. Its landscape is dominated by sweeping farmlands and small towns spread far apart, providing a quiet, rural existence. Next up, number 7, Idaho. With its rugged mountains, dense forests, and famous potato fields, Idaho's natural beauty is only matched by its quiet solitude. It is perfect for those who love the outdoors but dislike crowds. Halfway there at number 6, we find New Mexico, the land of enchantment, features stunning desert landscapes, ancient cultures, and plenty of room to roam without bumping into a soul. Its vast open spaces offer a unique blend of beauty and tranquility. Number 5 on our list is South Dakota. Home to dramatic formations like the Badlands and the iconic Black Hills, South Dakota's beauty is wild and untamed. It boasts wide open spaces for days, making it an ideal retreat for peace and quiet. Coming in at number 4, it is North Dakota. Known for its harsh winters and sprawling plains, North Dakota offers true frontier solitude. Especially outside its few major cities, you will find vast, unpopulated areas that feel truly remote. The top 3 start with number 3, Montana. Affectionately called Big Sky Country, Montana truly lives up to its name. It boasts immense wilderness areas, towering mountains, and a population density that practically guarantees privacy. It is a place where you can breathe. Our runner-up at number 2 is Wyoming. With stunning national parks like Yellowstone and Grand Teton, Wyoming is rugged, wild, and incredibly sparsely populated. It is famously home to more wildlife than people, offering an unparalleled sense of isolation and natural grandeur. And finally, the number 1 state, so empty you could scream and nobody would hear you. Alaska, the last frontier, truly is vast and empty. With less than 2 people per square mile, you could wander for days and see no one. It is the ultimate place to shout into the void and hear only your own echo. From the vast deserts of Nevada to the frozen expanse of Alaska, These states remind us that true quiet and endless horizons still exist in America. So, next time we need to clear your head, or perhaps test the limits of your vocal cords, consider heading to one of these beautifully empty places. You might just find the peace and quiet you've been looking for.